Where are they coming? Are they coming up this way?
They're going to be coming up that crack.
So do we go up?
You can either, depends on what you want to do. They can come up through here. There's a couple of openings way in the back there that they can come out of, depending on which way they find.
Oh, and which way do we get out of here?
We're going to go that way.
Ah.
Okay.
And go
All right,
find
guys are heading up this way.
a place to just sit down and...
I fell on my butt. I'm going to have a nice bruise. Slept over here.
You okay?
I'm good. I'm good.
All right.
A nice big old bruise.
Or there's another spot a little, if they go further.
There's two more spots down
If
further.
you guys, listen, look at me. Hey guys. Guys.
Can't hear him. He's got it. He's going. They're going. Just let him go. Let him go.
They'll come up this way. This one's the first one that they usually find.
Okay. Train them, trust them, give them something. There's that.
It's tough when sometimes they're just stupid.
The Jack.
There he comes.
Yeah, Jack. Taking the lead, like a roofing camp.
I'm like really struggling.
Come over this way. It's a bigger opening.
I got it. Oh shit.
Language, gentlemen.
Right here.
They are gonna sleep well tonight.
I love being small.
Are you guys camping or are you going home?
Okay, good. Yeah.
Where are you going? Where
Where's
you
Caledonia?
Okay. Yeah, it's a nice one.
Probably easier.
It is very nice. Right next to a little creek, little stream.
Sounds great.
Stand up in here now.
Woke up to the babbling brook.
So, guys.
There you go, guys.
Guys.
That's good.
We didn't even see this exit until we saw this exit. Until he saw this exit.
We didn't see it until we saw it.
I'm going to go this way so I can get out in front now.
Oh, it's this place.
When they come up here, they're just going to come through here. That's just easy. It's a bigger hole. Now their teamwork's going to start kicking in.
Yeah, they're all. It's gonna be hard for them to get through. They're like tall. Yes. How did you get?
Where's you going now?
Did you? Were you already through
in
here? You're already through here?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Wow.
We went and did the whole thing. We're back already.
Oh my gosh. That's
Where were
why.
where were the other exits?
Now,
Guys,
this is it.
the instructors in this.
Yeah, we're not going to yell.
Where was it? Did you have to climb over that?
Hmm?
Was there one where you had to climb the tire?
I don't want to do that today.
Yeah.
That's really kind of sketchy to go up there.
Yeah, we're almost done.
Had too many people freak out up there.
Yeah.
Big drop or something?
They feel like they're sliding down because it's a hole back behind this, straight down.
Mm.
And you gotta have to just wedge your feet into that crack and go up.
I don't think they're done.
And then there's another way down. Or you can go back down this way.
Sorry about that. Amazing how you get so much dirt in the cave.
I mean, at least we know how to, from here, at least we know how to get back down. Wait, is this
I don't know how you
where
see
we're
that.
sitting now?
You guys are doing good. Working together.
This is a beautiful cave.
It's nice. It's 2,400 linear feet of passage,
Wow.
but that includes all these little holes.
Wow. That's like.
Somebody maps it all, I
That's
think.
like.
Yeah.
Once you're past that rock where you're.
I was looking for a map to bring and I couldn't find it. I had a couple printed out, but I don't know what to do with them.
I believe that.
How many feet are
You do this enough though, you memorize the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, to the left.
Even the new things that popped up, right?
Is that?
Even the new things that pop up.
Oh yeah, I'm surprised at the little things that I find.
6,820. For some reason, I don't know. Alright, you guys got through.
There you go, Johnny, you made it.
Riker's gonna have
so far?
Riker's gonna have the easiest
So we're
time.
going down.
Head first, baby.
Yeah, there's like.
Shimmy through it. It's
Yeah.
an empty now.
You sent him down to scout it out.
That's nice. That was,
Nice.
this was the dead anchor.
Yeah.
And then we saw
I gotta shoot one time.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah. I was like, I looked down here and I'm like, why are there lights? And I'm like, why didn't I tell them?
We spent so much time looking for the
Yeah,
wrong.
why didn't I tell them?
I don't know where the other.
I could have told you guys that there were lights over there. We could have all been back here.
Yeah, is that
No
lit?
clue where the other two exits were though.
Alright, guys.
It would be down where MJ
He
was.
said down even further. We went further, we kind of looped back around.
Yeah, there was like a passageway where MJ was going, but it was like really tight. And we don't really know what he saw, and no one else went down there.
I went down there. It was like really tight.
Like up there because it was like up.
But that's like physically.
The more it opens up on this
That's pretty
side.
draining.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice though.
My arms were like jelly after I got
They were on the
done.
back stretch.
That's funny part of my favorite part of the whole.
That's not glad we're on the
Yes, I
back
did
stretch.
like-
I'm getting
I did like
hungry.
it in there.
So you got your bed?
Johnny's
How long have you been down here? Let's see.
Up here, wait, what's up there?
Because you gotta lay down flat.
And then we have to go
An hour and a half?
We
No,
can
then.
we can easily go.
Flies by, don't it?
Somebody came
I said it flies by.
give your foot-
Doesn't feel like it's been an hour and a half.
Yeah,
It feels like 30 minutes, I'd say.
absolutely.
We've been here for an hour.
I don't know, I have
Time really
I think
does
it's
go
like an hour
fast
thirty.
underground.
Probably out, Mr. Brown, Mr. Tom probably out there like,
Like,
Very good.
They probably don't
Was that?
have pizza. They're sitting out there.
Very good.
Got Uber Eats or something.
Maybe hold like lunch.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Mr. Tom's out.
They do that. That's why.
that was
That's
fun.
why I like coveralls. They don't ruin my clothes.
I can either move back.
That's easy to stitch.
Have to roll right now.
Yeah, why do we even need to bring a change of clothes? Because our clothes are under this.
Well,
They get through here.
some people get very dirty all the way through.
I'm thinking of
Because you're making sure you don't stain our cars up.
I probably
That's
think
right.
Shoes really that aren't the cover.
It's
I'm
not
not
even
very cheap.
like the mud, it's the water. And then like that actually seeps into overall.
Just try to lay as flat as you can, alright?
Oh, you're fine.
Kind of slide down.
Yeah.
I did not have trouble.
Well, look
with
at the
that.
little Christmas tree right there.
Yeah, what?
Oh yeah. Good Alex.
Like right there.
Yeah. Look in there, Roger.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're good. Oh yeah,
You're doing good.
there's a little Christmas tree right there. That's what it looks like at least.
There you drop down.
Like right there.
Jumping party.
It's
You're
good.
relaxed.
Yeah, why
right
not?
now.
Why not?
I know you're
There you
fine.
go, there you go. Now come down with your phone.
that's what I was gonna do, but it narrows
Oh,
out.
like down here.
I think we might be going down there, but just don't go anywhere yet.
Stay a little bit to your left.
Relax.
So that looks
It looks like the most obvious pathway this though.
It's just like it's like the back. You do all kinds of different cave explorer, or you just kind of stick to here.
Now I just stick to here.
Yeah.
I used to, Virginia, West Virginia, different parts of PA, New York.
Something over there. I don't know.
Johnny.
Go up there, yeah.
There's a lot of stuff around here.
I mean, there's that window thing that.
There's like,
Amazing how you find this stuff though.
Just getting to know people.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
Nature just exposes herself, huh?
Yep. Yep. Yeah, the guy that owns this property heard that I take scouts caving, and
they got some better.
he introduced me down here.
Yeah. Sam, who's behind you?
And I set up an arrangement with him that I can come down and do this.
Is he
That's all you do with the scouts yourself?
What's that?
That's all you do with the scouts?
Yeah, I was a scoutmaster for a long time ago.
Okay.
And then a crew advisor for a few years.
Did someone lift him up?
Oh,
I don't know, he was crashing
Yeah,
out.
I'm gonna go.
But I just kind of enjoy doing this. I get to do both.
I'm
I know, bro, it was kind of like you
curious to see what they're doing.
Which way was it?
A little bit of
Left to
everything.
the
I
right.
don't want to bang my.
Scouts is nice. If you have some talents, you can share it with your kid and kind of get some accolades along the way, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, Riker's in there.
Which way?
Yeah, I found that to be one of the big problems around here is that there's
Oh, you're
not
going
many
back
people
in.
that do
I am
this.
not there.
Yeah.
I remember, like,
Who's coming up next?
wait,
Where are we?
what
There's
if
something like
what if
this.
Dolly's down there
You can
talking?
go look. Go look.
Go more that way.
Who is it?
As long as you don't climb up, you can go look.
There you go.
Is this the right way or something?
There's still this to go through.
That's okay, it's not as hard as I just,
That's it.
what I just
Not
crawled
very
through.
comfortable, John.
You okay? I think he's okay.
I'm gonna stuff all the way down here. One of my feet could reach that far.
The closer you get to me, the wider.
I was just able to squeeze through there.
Nice.
Like, Logan should have come because he's like so small.
That was great.
Welcome.
You tired?
Because we just,
Because you know what? Crashing out for 10 minutes.
Oh my god. Isn't that drop it? It's gonna drop it. I'm not jinxing this, but it's gonna drop it. No, I shouldn't fall down on the cracks and like the most random area.
Yeah, so just a little
And
bit more
there's just
forward, but
there's
stay a
just
little
one
less.
person that finds it.
This was
Once you get past
like a book or a movie. I drop it and we think we lost it, but at the very end, we right at the exit. No, that could be very
You
useful.
got
so
in there,
far.
that's what
Okay,
you
come
did. Alright, how was the squeeze? Did you,
There you go, keep
were you
staying
not
a little
squeezing?
bit
on.
more.
My headlamp is kind of weak, so.
Yeah, I wasn't, wasn't that hard.
Is it one low or not? No, it's the high to go. Okay.
Um,
It's not powerful, so.
It wasn't that squeezy. It was actually kind of fun. He has the most trouble. It's a point. It's a point in between fun and fear that I really love. It's like a
Yeah.
roller coaster.
You hit your elbow, your wrist.
next time we should listen more clearly to the instructor so you don't end up doing that again.
Oh yeah. It's gonna make you guys very.
You went down the wrong way. You went down, and then, wait, is MJ, did MJ get out?
Did MJ get out?
Yep, I think he's climbing up now, I think.
Wait.
He is pretty upset right now, so.
That he didn't get to go to his way? Or?
No, because his buddy left him.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Wait,
Blame him.
where'd let him go?
Raven is blazing. Bro, I'm right over here. Okay.
Where are you?
Right there.
Yeah, bud?
You're
I'm pissed off.
Why?
Oh, that was
I
great.
pissed
You
you.
get close to me.
Why was someone in there?
Yeah, you guys gotta stay together.
MJ,
Well, like I asked him to
Alright, go down
come,
to your right
like,
a little bit, MJ.
over, and he said no,
And
10
yep,
times.
And then it's wider there, and it comes straight to this concrete. What did you get?
When we were trying to take the other path, see which one was like the real path, which was the dead end, like, there were a bunch of odd areas where we were going to.
Alright, come through.
How's that climb up from the ledge?
Stand up.
Why?
Yeah.
Ethan yelling at me for like,
Yeah, I'm hungry.
maybe
That's
MJ
good.
came out ago. He said like no, like 10 times.
Why did you eat breakfast?
I did.
Oh yeah, you did eat breakfast.
Deep breath.
Is it gonna be yeah. It's gonna be late too.
You guys ever finish your dishes?
Good.
Yeah, first time I gonna do pots and pans for you.
I'm expecting we do.
Is this your door?
Yeah, there's no obvious path that we probably don't
I didn't mean
know.
pots and pans.
That is.
If there's no obvious path, so it's probably not that one.
How you guys doing?
We're getting there.
Okay.
How you got up there, man?
Any issues or?
No, I think we're doing okay.
Okay.
All right, Rick, you're gonna have to slide down, bud. Need help? You got it.
I'll try it.
Need me to help you? got it?
Yeah.
You got it. You're like Spider-Man. All right, go for it, dude.
All right, this way.
Oh yeah, why is it?
MJ was down here, and like,
It's blood, a lot of the
Rafe was down there with him too. Wait, who's still coming?
It's blood of truth 350 and a half.
Oh, God.
That would have been us.
I'm like a very small crab.
Kyrie, you good?
He made it.
I don't know the fine details.
Barely.
Kyrie,
He might just need
is Ronnie still there?
I'm here.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It's just MJ.
Is Ray still down there?
I'm good.
Where's
MJ?
Oh, yeah.
Where's MJ?
Oh, yeah, the guy.
Everyone? He's still coming.
Me,
Okay.
MJ, and...
How long can we
Wait,
be
who's
there?
that?
Did everybody make it up out of that room?
MJ, yep, MJ's dad. and
Okay.
Now, there's one more guy. Can I ask you a question?
Yo,
How much longer can we be here for?
that's up to you.
Oh, let's go.
Okay.
We've been underground
What's right?
Whoa.
just under 2 hours.
just like barely up there.
Doesn't like some metals like mess with watches and whatnot? Magnetic. Go a bit farther?
Some do, but
What's up, Dad?
I don't worry about that underground.
Excuse
It's mostly okay, we got everybody.
Dad,
I'm last.
Somebody behind you.
back there.
Okay, ready? Ready? Guys.
Okay.
Who's the cave entrance? Like the one, like
Careful down
on the
there.
right,
It's not so good.
like a way
But there's
down.
a foothold.
The cave entrance?
No,
No.
like the way, like when we were back up there.
Yeah.
There's like a bunch of entrances.